Elizabeth Holmes is the former CEO and founder of Theranos, a health technology company that claimed to have developed a revolutionary blood testing device. The company was founded in 2003 and quickly gained attention and investment from prominent individuals and organizations. Holmes was celebrated as a visionary leader, and Theranos was valued at billions of dollars. However, in 2015, investigative journalists uncovered inaccuracies in the company's technology and testing methods, leading to a downfall for both Holmes and Theranos. The scandal resulted in legal repercussions for both the company and its leadership, and had significant consequences for patients and investors. Theranos was founded in 2003 by Elizabeth Holmes with the mission to revolutionize medical testing by making it faster, cheaper and more accessible. The company claimed to have developed a revolutionary technology called Edison, which could perform a full range of medical tests using only a small amount of blood, collected through a simple finger prick. The company promised to make diagnostic testing more convenient and accessible for patients and to revolutionize the lab testing industry. Elizabeth Holmes, who was then a 19-year-old Stanford University dropout, was the CEO and face of the company. Her charisma and ambition quickly attracted the attention of investors, who saw the potential in Theranos technology. Holmes was celebrated as a young visionary leader, and was featured in numerous media outlets, including Forbes Incorporated and The New Yorker. Theranos partnerships and investments came from prominent individuals and companies, including former U.S. Secretaries of State George Shultz and Henry Kissinger, as well as media mogul Rupert Murdoch. The company also partnered with Walgreens, the largest pharmacy chain in the United States, to offer its blood testing services in over 40 Walgreens locations in Arizona and California. The partnership with Walgreens gave Theranos access to millions of customers, and the company's valuation soared to $9 billion by 2014. The fall of Theranos began in 2015, when investigative journalists from the Wall Street Journal published an article questioning the accuracy of Theranos testing methods. The article alleged that the company's Edison device was not capable of performing all the tests that it claimed to, and that the majority of the tests were actually being run on traditional lab equipment. This led to an investigation by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, which found that Theranos' Edison device had not been cleared or approved by the FDA, and that the company had failed to report problems with its testing to the FDA. The Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, CMS, also conducted an investigation, which found that Theranos lab practices posed an immediate jeopardy to patient health and safety. As a result, Theranos lab was shut down, and the company was banned from operating any clinical laboratory for 2 years. Elizabeth Holmes and former Theranos president Ramesh Sunny Balwani were charged with multiple counts of fraud by the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) in 2018. Holmes settled with the SEC and agreed to pay a $500,000 fine, return 18.9 million shares of Theranos stock, and relinquish her voting control of the company. Balwani was charged with wire fraud and conspiracy to commit wire fraud, and his case is still pending. The fall of Theranos had a significant impact on patients and investors. Patients who received blood tests from Theranos may have received inaccurate results, and some may have undergone unnecessary medical procedures as a result. Investors, including high-profile individuals and companies, lost millions of dollars. The scandal also raised questions about the regulation of the medical testing industry and the responsibilities of companies and their leaders in maintaining the accuracy and integrity of their testing methods. The rise and fall of Elizabeth Holmes and Theranos was a dramatic example of the potential and the pitfalls of the intersection of technology and healthcare. The company's mission to revolutionize medical testing with its innovative technology was ambitious and had the potential to change the industry for the better. However, the discovery of inaccuracies and inconsistencies in Theranos testing methods and the subsequent investigations revealed that the technology was not capable of delivering on its promises. The scandal had significant consequences for patients, investors, and the medical testing industry as a whole. Patients who received blood tests from Theranos may have received inaccurate results, and some may have undergone unnecessary medical procedures as a result. Investors, including high-profile individuals and companies, lost millions of dollars. The scandal also raised questions about the regulation of the medical testing industry and the responsibilities of companies and their leaders in maintaining the accuracy and integrity of their testing methods. The rise and fall of Theranos serves as a cautionary tale about the importance of transparency and oversight in healthcare technology, and the need to be skeptical of claims that seem too good to be true. It also highlights the importance of robust regulatory oversight and the need for companies and their leaders to be held accountable for their actions. The lessons from the Theranos scandal will hopefully help to ensure that similar incidents do not occur in the future, and help to foster a culture of transparency, integrity, and accountability in healthcare technology.